Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can change the text, border, and background of a text box or data field within the Layout Designer window. To do this, double-click the text box or data field you want to format to open the Properties dialog box. Alternately, you can simply click to select a text box or data field in the form, and then click the Properties button in the toolbar at the top of the Layout Designer window to also open the Properties dialog box. Within the Properties dialog box, you can set the appearance of the text box or data field by changing the settings shown within the text, border, and background tabs. For text boxes and labels, enter the text to display into the field shown at the top of the Properties dialog box. To set the appearance of text within the object, click the Text tab. In the Justification section, select either left, right, or center in the horizontal section, and top, bottom, or center in the vertical section to set the horizontal and vertical text alignment. To indent the first line of text within a text box, check the Indent First Line of Text checkbox within the horizontal section. To select the font used to display text within the object, click the Font button to open the example dialog box. Change the font, font style, size, effects, and color of the font by making choices from the fields within this dialog box. When you have finished setting the font attributes, click the OK button to apply them and return to the Properties dialog box. You can set the font color for the object within the Text tab by clicking the Color button shown to open the Change Color dialog box. Select any color you want for the font, and then click the OK button to return to the Properties dialog box. To change the border of the selected object, click the Border tab within the Properties dialog box. Choose the sides of the object to which you want to apply a border by checking the top, bottom, left, and right checkboxes as desired. If you apply a border to the object, you can select the increment used to round the corners of the borders by making a selection from the Rounded Corners section. You can select the desired border pattern to use from the Pattern section, as well as select a desired border thickness from the Thickness section. You can click the Color button to open up the Change Color dialog box. Select a color for the border and click the OK button to return to the Properties dialog box. To set a background color for the object, click the Background tab within the Properties dialog box. Then check the Fill Background checkbox. After checking this checkbox, click the Background Color button to open the Change Color dialog box. Select any color you want for the background of the object and click the OK button to return to the Properties dialog box. After you have finished applying any formatting settings that you want the object to have, click the OK button within the Properties dialog box to apply your changes to the selected text box or data field.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.